What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So, hope you guys all had a great evening, morning, afternoon, whatever the hell's going on in your life. I hope it's good, and I wish you all the very, very, very best. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and if you're one of those individuals that have been unsubscribing from my channel, I invite you to subscribe back. Because people are just unsubscribing from my channel for no apparent reason. I'm not really sure if YouTube's doing it or if there's just people that just don't like me anymore. But I don't care, because I'm just gonna still keep making videos. And I do appreciate the people that are out there watching them and the ones that are supporting my content and my videos continuously. So I thank you guys a lot. I wouldn't be where I am today without you and others, of course. So I do appreciate that very, very, very much. So, like I said before, if you haven't been subscribed or you unsubscribed or whatever the case may be, do me a favor, subscribe, give this video a like at the end, because obviously there's no point in giving it a like before you don't even know what the hell the video is about. So, I'm going to tell you what this video is about. We are currently driving to Sauter Chevrolet in Brownstown, Ephrata. They call it Ephrata, but it's Brownstown, technically speaking. And we're picking up the pin, the selector pin for my manual valve for my Duramax. I ended up losing that selector pin somehow, some way. I have no idea where the hell it went, but I lost it. It's gone. I don't know where it is, and I had to get another one. It was only $7 plus freight, which brought it to like $10. So it was a $10 mistake on my part. It sucks, but it is what it is. And I'm just gonna, you know, get over it and spend the $7 and whatever. I already bought the oil, already bought the filters, not filters. I'm sorry, guys. I know a lot of you guys bitch about my pronunciation of certain words, filter, but I call it filters, not filters. That's just the way I talk. If you don't like it, I still love you. It doesn't really matter. So we're on our way to the dealership right now to pick up that pin that I desperately need for the Duramax. This is the last thing that I need for the Duramax. I don't need anything else, just this pin. So once I have this pin, I can put this pin in, put the valve body back in, put fluid in this thing, change out the filter on the outside. We'll be putting a new filter on the inside, and hopefully, this stuck valve was my entire issue the entire time, and it won't happen again. I'm praying it does not happen again, and this thing drives and runs perfectly and operates, because it has a full tank of diesel, and I want to use that diesel. I don't want to let this sit there. I want to use it. So let's get to the dealership, and let's get this pin, guys. We'll be right back. Sauter Chevrolet, pull in here like so, get our little, hey, look at the Camaro. It's a nice blue Camaro right there. Check that out. Pretty nice. All right, drive around to the parts department and find a parking spot here. Oh, I could have parked right there. It looks like a great parking spot. Oh, right there's the parking spot. We're gonna back up. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Slide right through that sucker. Right like so. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna hop in here, get this part, be right back. Alright guys, we have our pin. Where is that little thing? You guys can see it right there, it is. That's the pin I was missing. You would think you'd be able to see a pin like that, you know what I mean? Like, that's not a small pin, but it's not a big pin either. But you'd think you'd find something like that. It's not that difficult. And I looked everywhere for this pin, guys, everywhere. I could not find the damn thing. It frustrated the hell out of me. It got me so angry that I lost this pin that, you know, you would think, oh wow, that's, you know, it's not like a needle bearing. Needle bearings, they're hard to find. When they drop out of U-joint caps, when you drop a U-joint cap, I've done that before in the past, they're hard to find, guys. But that pin, that should have had no reason. There should have been no reason why I couldn't find it, but it must have grew some legs and started walking away, and I had to buy a new one. So let's head to the shop. Let's get this thing torn apart. Let's put the pin back in. Let's get the pan down, put the valve body in, get the pan up. Let's fill this sucker up. Let's get this Duramax on the road and be happy for once. Let's do it, guys. Pin, as you can see, has little slits in it. Goes right in there like so. That way it doesn't move around. And then goes right in there like so. Look at that. Doesn't come out or nothing. Let's get this damn valve body in. Now I do want to point out, if you guys look up in there, you can see the clutches, and they're still looking good. You can't see any more of the clutches, unfortunately, but I can see these back ones, and they look fucking beautiful. So that tells me that that valve definitely was an issue with what was going on here. And I don't think for a second it was the clutches at all, honestly. Let's get this valve body in. Valve body's in. The pin is in up there as well. You can kind of see it. Filter's in. We got to change that filter, but we're going to get the oil pan up first, and then we'll change that filter. Alright, let's get this filter off. Hopefully it doesn't drip. Oh yeah. There it is. That's the filter right there. That fluid is nice and red too. Look at that. Nice and red. Alright. Dip that in there, get a little bit of oil on that. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our new filter on here. Nice. Use my strong arms. Alright, filter's on. It's hot in here. So we got about 7 quarts in. We're gonna start it up, check fluid. Hopefully I have enough of battery power. I don't think I do, to be honest. I think I'm gonna have to put my jump box on this, guys. We'll see here in a minute. Yep, jump box. Alrighty. Come on. Alright. Got 2 jump boxes held up on this sucker. Come on, baby. Fuck it. I'm not buying batteries for this thing. Alright, let's let it charge up a little bit. Alrighty. So, charged up a little bit. We might be able to start it now, maybe. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Fuck. Still not enough. Nah. Got to let her charge up longer. Alrighty. Hopefully we have enough of charging going on here. Doesn't look like it. We're gonna see what happens. And it started up. Awesome. Alright. We gotta check tranny fluid. Alright, so the truck's running. Let's face my camera a little bit my way here. Hopefully. Definitely gotta check transmission fluid. But we're gonna see if it goes into gear. Goes into gear. Goes into gear fine. No delay. The delay's gone. Oh, fucking awesome. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's like a median. Before it was taking like 4 seconds to go into gear. Now it's like, boom, reverse. Neutral. Boom, drive. 1 second, if that. Oh, it's freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Oh, I might have my Duramax back, guys. I'm fucking excited. Alright, let's check fluid level. I might need another quart. If I do, I'll get another quart of oil. Put some a quart of oil in there, trans fluid in there, and take it for a test drive, see what happens. I think it's gonna be good, guys. I think it's gonna be good. Alright guys, had to drive across the street to good old Advanced Auto Parts here with my buddy. He just got an RS, it's fully built. Has all kinds of junk done to it. We might do a review about that car. Leave a comment below, let me know if you want a review on this RS. It's supposedly really fast. But I had to put a total of 13 quarts of Dextron 6 in this damn transmission. And it seems to be shifting fine. It seems to be working fine. Are we leaving? All right. So we're gonna go out here on the road, do a little test drive, and see how she does. So we have to fight with traffic to get the hell out of here. We gotta make a left-hand turn, obviously. It's a real pain in the ass. All right. Shift number 1, good. Shift number 2, good. Little hard on 2-3 or 3-4. Little rough. Might just need to break it in a little bit, get everything back to normal. Considering that the valve body's been screwed up for so long. But she's working. She's working. Oh God, did I miss Big Bertha? Oh yeah, she is doing great, guys. She's not slipping, she's shifting. She's doing everything she's supposed to be doing. This is freaking awesome. Big Bertha is back. Big Bertha is back. Oh yeah. Just laid some coal. I put some coal on my buddy back there. She's working good. She is working good. Temperature's staying real good. Right there, temperature's staying real good. Got a little bit of a hard downshift. A little bit of a hard downshift. But might not be that bad. Might just need some time to break in. I don't know. But it did downshift kind of hard. Almost like a double downshift. Kind of. But she's in first gear. And she's working. We're gonna go over here and park in this good old parking lot right here. Ugh. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, guys. All right. She looks like she's working. Maybe a little couple hiccups, but she's shifting. She's not slipping at all, which is freaking amazing in my eyes. We'll get out of the truck here. Got the Ford RS down here. Pretty cool. What do you think of the Duramax?
It needs a bath.
It does need a bath. It's good to go. Do we have any leak strips or errors underneath of it, maybe? Yeah, I know it's blowing black smoke, buddy. No leaks, no drips, no errors. Look at that. It's so cool. It's so cool. Fucking Duramax is alive, guys. It's alive. I'm freaking happy. All right, so we're gonna end this video. The Duramax is running. Probably just needs driven a good bit to get her back to where she needs to be. But she seems to be happy. I'm gonna drive her all weekend, see how she does. Hopefully everything works out fine and she works perfect. Doesn't have any more transmission issues. Has a little bit of a hard downshift, but I'm not really too concerned about that. It could just be things working their way around and solenoids doing what they're supposed to be doing until, you know, all that stuff fixes itself. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but it is working. So other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram at Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.